best, this is where you'll end up. So yeah, my precious smarty pants, without all your usual technical support, you're nothing but a useless little dumb two-legged farter. But then, of course, setting up a free email box, turning in a ready-made essay, voting via text message, or installing a plugin are each and every one crucial, necessary, brilliant skills. But they're not gonna do one damn thing to save your neck! Right. Now let's think about things on a global scale. Any of you know the gunpowder formula? Can you make penicillin? Do you know how to take crude oil and turn it into gasoline? Is there anything at all you could give these poor dumb schmoes from the past, huh? Come on, think! Use your brains, darling parasites. For example, to generate electricity, all you need is an orange or a potato. It would be enough to stick a small golden cross along with a silver spoon into it for these two contacts to produce 2 volts. Did you know that?